Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to stop receiving the Webtoon newsletter emails. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now, first thing first that you have to do, you just have to open your Webtoon app on your phone. And after, tap on the more icon on the bottom right of the home screen and tap on settings. After that, you can change your email notification setting in email menu here. Now just toggle off the news here, and yeah, you will not receiving the Webtoon news again. So guys, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck!